long-term investment. Remember that Rome was not built in a day. In trading, always remember that Hiroshima and Nagasaki were destroyed in a day. Trading or investing, success in both of these areas takes time. When a new investor gets into a stock market, one of the critical questions he is facing is whether he should do a short-term investing or trading or a long-term investing. This video will answer that. Hello friends, my name is CA Tapan Doshi, a stockbroker and a founder of an investment firm Investstars. A new investor comes in stock market with new hopes, aspiration and lot of enthusiasm. He has belief in his mind that he will do big in the stock market, but being new, he has a lot of confusion about what type of strategies to be followed, whether he should do a short-term trading or a long-term investing. This decision, however, varies from person to person. Ideally, investor must decide on a trading type that will best suits their personality. To be a successful investor, first of all, you need a capital. If you have no capital to invest, you would not achieve any significant result. It may also take you years, even decades before you come with any meaningful returns. So, do not expect any quick or easy bucks. This is why many people prefer trading. Not only it can be done with less amount of money, but returns are usually faster too. There are millions ads in the market proclaiming wealth through day trading, but the truth is day traders and long-term investors both make money and both lose money. Some successful long-term investors lose their money when attempting to a day trade, and some day traders cannot pick an excellent long-term investment. In terms of trading, difference is mainly personal temperament and time. Now let us take a closer look at short-term trading and a long-term investing to gain some insight which one is better. First we look at short-term trading. When a duration between buying and selling ranges from a few days to a few weeks, it is considered as a short-term trading. However, even a short-term trading includes a intraday trading where the position is square off within a day. So what are the pros of short-term trading? First, faster means of making money. The benefits of a trade can be realized in a short-term period through this method. You can earn profit within a day by investing in intraday trading. Second, short-term risk. If you discover that a wrong decision was taken on a trade, you can free up the capital invested and reinvest in a fresh stock. This is because capital is at risk for a shorter period. Now the third one is leverage. What makes day trading so appealing is the leverage. Leverage lets traders participate in the market with less starting capital compared to more traditional investors. When things are going the right way, trading with high leverage makes you profitable. So what is the fourth one? Fourth one is availability of superior technology. Day trading could be a highly technical and maths oriented, and with access to trading algorithms and computer, it is easier to do it than ever before. Fifth, traditional opportunities. Now trading opportunities, the market is full of discrepancy and trading opportunities that are there only because of price inefficiencies. These opportunities are more than present, and this form of arbitrage is the basis of many trading strategies. Now look at the cons of short-term trading. First one is volatile market. There are chances that you may lose a significant amount of money while indulging in short-term trading due to the volatilities in the share markets. Second is stress. The unpredictability of the share market make it difficult to figure out the future status of your capital. This in turn increases stress level. I tell you, stress is not at all good for your body. Third is time consuming. Short term trading really needs lot of concentration. It demands lot of attention. You need to continuously check the market in order to make buying and selling decision. Fourth is again leverage. It is a double-edged sword. When things are not going in the right way, leverage causes much damage to your account. Bank balance goes down. Every trader at least once crashed their account will witnessing this. Fifth, temperament. Day trading is based less on fundamental research into companies than on identification of a highly volatile stock opportunities. One with many trades and wide price swings in a single day or going for a few days and hope of making a small profit by catching a swing either up or down. This takes a temperament that is comfortable with risk and a bank account that can sustain losses. So this was all about short-term trading. Now let us look at what is long-term investing. Well, long-term investing is when a duration between the buying and selling ranges from a few months to a few years. It referred to as a short-term and a long-term trading. Pros and cons of long-term trading and investment. First is less stressful. There is no need to follow the market when trading long-term constantly. You can ignore the current market conditions and focus on future market conditions. Put simply, you do not need a babysit your stock. There is less commitment involved compared to most of the other forms of investing. After the initial research base, little additional support is necessary. As a result, long-term investing is one of the least stressful method of trading. Second point. Second is time saving. You can dedicate the time saved from the constantly following the market on other productive activities. For example, you can study other stocks and do thorough research before making any buying or selling decision. Third is compounding. Long-term trading helps you take advantage of the power of compounding. You will able to invest the dividends back in the market to earn more profits. In addition, assets with higher short-term volatility such as stock tend to generate higher returns over the long term than a less volatile assets. So what is the fourth one? Fourth one is very important, that is save taxes. Long-term trading also helps you to save taxes. Most short-term traders need to pay around 15%, whereas long-term activities and investing are charged around 10%. Investing for a long term provides tax advantage on capital gains. Fifth point, an important one is temperament. A long term investor buys to hold a stock for at least a year and must be confident of the stock ultimate value to be able to tolerate interim periods of low and high stock prices. So these were the pros of the long-term investing. Now let us see the cons of the long-term trading and investing. Chances of missing out. First one is chances of missing out. Long-term trading requires you to invest your capital for a long term and you might miss out on volatility in the market for making money. Second is homework research. You need to do your homework if you are going to trade long term, as you just cannot rely on graphs and charts to make a trading decision. Long term trading requires you to in-depth knowledge of the sector or stock you are investing in. You just cannot make decision based on certain news. Third is patience. Long term trading requires a lot of patience and the failure to meet it will create problems for traders in the long run. Fourth is it is not fun. Let's be honest, it is not that fun. The reason why most people starting doing trading is because of the financial reward. As Burton Malkai famously remarked in his quote, randomly walk down Wall Street, that is, it is fun to pit your intellectual against that of the vast community and to find yourself rewarded with an increase in assets. In today's world, investing is a conventional way, does not appeal to many investors' competitive traits. Fifth, less risk comes with a price. It is less profitable than riskier forms of investing. An investor who meets his way of might be content with annual return of 8 to 10%. Successful day trader generates that much profit sometimes on a weekly basis. So this is the cons of the long term investing. So here is the end. Hopefully you understand the difference between what is the short term trading and long term investing. I hope you like this video. Please like this video by clicking the below icon and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know more about value investment, you can click down below link to know more. Me, CA Tapan Doshi, signing off. Thank you.